What if the secret to preserving your food was already growing in your backyard? In this video, we explore how African herbs like ginger, garlic, and alligator pepper may replace synthetic preservatives naturally and effectively. What are food preservatives? Food preservatives are substances added to slow spoilage, prevent microbial growth, or maintain flavor. But many synthetic ones, like sodium benzoate or BHA, raise safety concerns over long-term health effects. So researchers, including myself, are asking, can nature do it better? Let's talk herbs. Ginger has compounds like gingerol and zingerone, which fight bacteria. Garlic contains allicin, nature's own antimicrobial weapon. Alligator pepper? It's loaded with phenolics and flavonoids that inhibit spoilage microbes. In my research, we've used these to preserve smoked fish, with results that rival artificial preservatives. The fish lasted longer and even tasted better. These herbs work by disrupting bacterial membranes, reducing oxidation and slowing enzymatic degradation. In lab tests, essential oils from African herbs can inhibit E. coli, listeria, and fungi naturally. Chemical preservatives like nitrates and BHD are widely used, but linked to risks like hyperactivity, allergic reactions, and even cancer in animal studies. Plus, many consumers are demanding cleaner, greener labels. Imagine packaging that not only contains a natural preservative, but senses when spoilage starts. That's what we're working on next, combining bioactive African herbs with smart packaging that predicts food quality using AI. It's traditional wisdom plus cutting-edge food tech. If you believe Africa can lead the next food tech revolution, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. Comment below. Which African herb do you think has the most hidden potential?